Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden in front of my house is small, no doubt, but even then, I am proud of it because it is the result of my own hard labor. There are smaller beds of flowers in which I grow seasonal flowers. When the plants bear blossoms, I feel a thrill of joy in my mind and take pride in my creative labor. Whenever any of my friends ask me anything about sowing and maintaining of plants, I give him information with related feelings. Surrounded by the beds of flowers is a smaller lawn with soft velvety green grass. I am very fond of this lawn and take pride in maintaining it trimmed, hilly and neat. In the evening, we sit in the lawn and talk, chat, and discuss several things. I have grown fruit fats along the fringes of the grass lawn. Some of the fruit trees yield fruits, but most of them are still young. Whenever any one of my friend comes, I offer him the fruits of my own garden, and with pride. The grapes, guavas, and pomegranate of my garden are very sweet and juicy. Last year, I planted a mango sapling, which, to the surprise of my friends, relatives, and even myself, has borne fruit is year and this year. And whenever any visitors comes to my house these days, I very proudly invite them his attention to the hardly 2 feet tall tree that bear the fruits. This little garden is a place where I find peace and happiness. In the other hand, gardening is not very difficult. It involves preparing the soil, planting vegetables or flowers, and paying attention to the garden. Many people make gardening this their hobby, and it is also good for exercise. And the first step is gardening is the preparation of the soil. If the soil is not hot, the garden and will not flourish. And dig the surface of the earth, then mix the topsoil with manure and water. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel.